Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply make your icons larger on iOS 26. To do it, press and hold on your home screen, then click on until the app starts wiggling, then click on Edit, Customize, and now you can click on this little button in the top right corner of this pop-up window at the bottom to make the icons larger. Large icons won't have icon labels below them, and the small icons will have them. Okay. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.